Welcome to Gnosis. In the last video we have talked a lot about the health benefits of matcha, its correct preparation methods, and its proven positive effect on your body, mind and mood. Today I would like to teach you about my favorite pre-workout meal using matcha and Japanese mochi. I personally have been consuming it regularly for the last 5 years. At first, we add a spoon of matcha into a small bowl. Then we dip mochi into it. Make sure to grab mochi very delicately in order to make sure not to break it. Then keep softly rolling it in matcha until it becomes completely green from all sides. Usually I use classical white mochi. They are sold in many Asian stores and they are not expensive. A box of 6 usually costs you around $2. They are very delicate when left at the room temperature though, so be careful not to break them. This pre-workout meal is amazingly simple to make and appears small, however it packs you with enough calories and healthy nutrients to really kick off your day on a high note. The taste of mochi is quite sweet, but when combined with the strong bitter taste of matcha, it creates a very interesting and unique flavor. It really sharpens your senses and makes you ready for a long day ahead. It is very economical as well. A box of 6 mochi costs around $2 and a small can of matcha costs around $30. However, this little can last you for over a month. Try this recipe for yourself and see how it truly packs you with energy, good mood and improved health. The short version is, it tastes simply amazing. Just remember to clean the green off from your lips, otherwise people might think that you are turning into Hulk. And that can't be good. During the summertime, I would actually recommend you to use ice cream mochi called Yukimi Daifuku. They usually sell it in the Asian stores, so if you can get your hands on it, dipping it in matcha creates an even more interesting and delicious taste. If you want to use this pre-workout meal in the early morning, you can eat matcha dipped mochi with green tea. It seems like an overkill. However, if you use pure green tea without adding any sugar, which is actually a traditional Chinese and Japanese way to consume it, the taste of the green tea will appear sweet when combined with a bitter overcoat of matcha. The sweet mochi inside will unleash its flavor and create a unique tasting experience. Each mochi is around 48 calories, and each ice cream mochi is around 60 calories. So I normally consume around 3 at once before my workout, and put the remainder in the fridge to consume at a later time. If you enjoyed my recipe, please leave a like and subscribe for more. So guys, enjoy the recipe, remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and never neglect knowledge. Peace out.